Hey y'all, how y'all doing? What y'all do with y'all eggshells? Why don't you give this a try? Don't throw them away. We about to make some fertilizer with these bad boys. All you got to do is wash them off. Yeah, every time you use them, don't throw them away. Just wash them off. We about to make some fertilizer. Wash them good now. Get all that membrane out of there. We don't need that. Then just put them in a tray or put them somewhere. Let them air dry. And then when they air dry, you just put them in a paper bag. That way, if you miscalculate, they don't air dry all the way. They'll finish air drying in the paper bag. You don't have to close it up real tightly or nothing. Just put them in there and set them aside until you get ready to make your fertilizer. Now, I definitely don't do this every time I crack an egg. That's why they in this bag, okay? Get you a cheap coffee grinder from Dollar General or someplace like that. Don't have to be nothing fancy, just as long as it grind the eggshells up. And you'll see it's gonna grind them up like a fine, fine powder, okay? Look at all them eggshells I've been saving. They clean, Don't y'all try to go too fast and be overstuffing the grinder. It's a small grinder. And this don't take long at all. I'm gonna tell you, just a couple of seconds. Once you hit, oh man, down, I done lost the shell. That's okay. I'ma get it. But you know what? This whole process takes a good 10 minutes. That's it. See how quickly I'm grinding this? Okay, this is in real time right here. I'm gonna speed it up so I don't take all day with y'all. But yeah, this is a quick process. This whole thing take me 10 minutes at the most. Okay. And I want you to see, I'm gonna go ahead and put some more in there and grind them up. Then I'm gonna show you how fine this powder is. Look at here, look at here, look at here. You see how fine that powder is? And keep on going and get all of it done, y'all. We don't want to just keep coming back to this. Just go ahead, like I said, 10 minutes and finish the job. Get it all done. You got 10 minutes somewhere in between here and there. Yeah, so that's why I store them in this paper bag right here so I can take that 10 minutes. Oh yeah, go ahead and wear your mask. Make sure you're wearing your mask because this does turn into a powder. You don't want these powdered eggshells in your lungs. And look how quick this cleanup is, y'all. See, I got me a little fancy jar. Nothing but old relish jar. Done washed it real good, dried it out, make sure I got all the moisture out there. And I'm going to put my eggshell powder ready in here. And that's where I'm going to store it. And come springtime, I'm going to put this in my soil. Yes, that's a good source of calcium for my tomato plants right there. Just mix that up in your soil, or you can dilute it. Some people make a tea out of it. Whatever you prefer, but that's free fertilizer, guys. See you later.